Hey, so if your TradingView chart is not updating, like price is stuck, candles aren't moving, or data looks frozen, that can be really frustrating. But don't worry, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. First, check your internet connection. This is the most common reason charts stop updating. If your connection is unstable, the chart data won't refresh properly. Next, just refresh the page. This forces TradingView to reload live market data. Now, make sure the market is actually open. For stocks, if the market is closed, prices won't update in real time. Some browser settings or extensions can block live updates. So disable ad blockers or data-saving modes and reload the chart. Another important thing, some real-time data requires a subscription. If you're using delayed data, the chart may look like it's not updating. Sometimes the issue is just a glitch. Try switching timeframes or switching to another symbol and back again. If it still doesn't work, clear your browser cache or use incognito mode. This removes stored data that might be blocking updates. And finally, switch browsers if nothing else works. Some browsers handle real-time data more smoothly than others. So yeah, that's how you fix TradingView charts not updating. Most of the time it's just connection, cache, or market data issues. Try these steps and your chart should start updating again. Hey, so